Hello everyone, welcome to Lever Guns 50. Today we have this beautiful double barrel rifle out here, and this one is in 5110, and we're going to shoot it a little bit and just see how it works. I'll bring you in for a close look at it, and this is a pretty cool little gun, and it was sent to us to test out and check out by Frank Walker, and we appreciate Frank Walker sending this out to us to check out, and it's out of his collection, and we're just gonna have a little fun with it and shoot it today. So it's got these side hammers on it. It breaks open like a regular shotgun would, and it originally was an old shotgun, but now it's a double rifle. So let me bring you in closer and take a good look at it. Here's a closer look at it. Just look at that back sight there. Look at the front sight. Look at those barrels. There's these big old cartridges that fit in this gun. Let's go ahead and load her up. Drop two of them in there. Gonna shoot these jugs right behind me. Hopefully it'll go off. This thing's old, so who knows. Went off. Take those cartridges out of there. We have two more black powder loads. Gonna launch them into that metal plate down there. See where it hits. We cock these hammers back. Puts out quite a bit of smoke, doesn't it? Let's try to hit that round target and then that silhouette target as quick as we can. Second shot didn't fire. So we're gonna have to try that again. It dented the primer, but it didn't fire. Weak primer strike, I think. So let's try it again. That barrel gets pretty hot like that. Now let's try that. Blowing the smoke out. Pretty cool, ain't it? Let's see if it'll go through that jug of water and hit that metal plate. I heard it ring, so I think it did. I know what you guys are all asking is how fast are these bullets going? So there's only one way to find out. And so we're going to shoot them across the chronograph and see. Better not get too close, he's going to have a lot of smoke. (1,645 feet a second). So now let's see if we can hit a target with 2 shots fired at once. I know that's what you guys want to know. So we're going to try it and see what we can do. All right. I'm going to try to get 2 on that metal plate. Don't know if we got it, but we hope we did. Man, this is hot. As you can see, we didn't get 2 on this metal plate. We hit this metal plate here, and we knocked a hole in this one over here. This is for 22s, and it's not that thick, and it went right on through it. So even though it's black powder, it had plenty of power to punch a hole right through that target there. So we was aiming for here, but you know, both those barrels don't fire quite at the same time, so no doubt it kicked over a little bit and hit right there. There you have it. So would I take this gun out in a dangerous situation? Well, you seen it failed to fire one time, so I would actually have to work on it and make sure that it fired every single time before I would take it. And being an old gun, it's a little bit loose. No, I wouldn't. But if you have a really nice shotgun that you want to send to, and I'll leave you can look at the description right here. If you want to send one to him, he can fix it up and it will be as reliable as it was when it was a good shotgun. Now this here is over 100 years old. It's an antique, so, you know, hey, it is what it is. Now he does full length reline the barrel with a pretty thick liner, so it's a well-made replica of a double rifle. But he takes these old shotguns and relines them. And like I said, this is an antique. It's over 100 years old, so well over 100 years old. So anyhow, I think it's a pretty cool gun. I think it's really neat. And I wouldn't mind getting him to make one in like 700 nitro or something like that. I really want to thank Frank Walker for sending these doubles and all the other guns that he's supplied us with to help the channel out. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. God bless each and every one of you. Come back and see me, you hear?